Most people experience a sharp drop in energy around 3 p.m. The common solution is to reach for a convenience bar, but these are often heavily processed and rely on refined sugars for flavor. A more effective alternative is the Honey Cinnamon Energy Bite. This is a zero-bake snack that replaces refined sugars with natural ingredients to provide a more stable energy source. The preparation requires very little specialized hardware. You only need a standard mixing bowl, a heavy-duty spatula, and an airtight container for storage. The base ingredients include rolled oats, natural nut butter, honey, cinnamon, vanilla extract, chia or flax seeds, and chopped nuts. Mastering this assembly allows you to prepare a full week of snacks in a single session, ensuring you have a predictable food source available when your energy levels start to dip. Begin the assembly by adding the rolled oats, nut butter, cinnamon, vanilla extract, seeds, and chopped nuts into your mixing bowl. The rolled oats provide the foundation of the bite, acting as a source of complex carbohydrates and dietary fiber for slow-burning energy. The nut butter adds a high concentration of healthy fats and protein, which helps prevent the rapid blood sugar spikes associated with processed snacks. By adding chia or ground flax seeds, you introduce essential omega-3 fatty acids into the mixture. Finally, the chopped nuts or sunflower seeds are included to add texture and a specific crunch to the final product. This chart shows the nutritional difference side by side. Commercial bars rely heavily on refined sugar, but this homemade mixture uses protein and fiber for a balanced profile. While nutritionally dense, the mixture lacks physical cohesion. A clear structural gap prevents these items from staying together. Without a central binding agent, these ingredients remain loose in the bowl and cannot be formed into a functional, portable snack. To create that bond, add 1/3 cup of honey directly to the dry ingredients. The honey serves as a complete replacement for refined sugar, providing a natural sweetness that complements the floral notes of the cinnamon. Crucially, honey acts as the physical binder. Its viscosity flows between the oats and nuts, creating sticky connective bonds to hold the snack together. Stir the mixture vigorously. You want every individual grain and nut fragment to be fully coated in a thin, sticky layer. Verify the texture by pressing the mixture against the side of the bowl with your spatula. If the mass holds together firmly without crumbling, the binding process is complete. This addition of honey is the specific mechanism that transforms a bowl of loose, dry ingredients into a coherent and chewable snack. If the mixture is too warm, the fats in the nut butter will stay soft, making the dough hyper-sticky and difficult to handle. To fix this, place the bowl in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. This stabilizes the lipids and makes the dough much easier to shape. Once chilled, scoop out a portion roughly the size of 1 tablespoon. Roll the portion between your palms firmly. This compresses the ingredients into a uniform, spherical bite. Forming these into consistent spheres ensures that each bite provides the same caloric value and remains easy to pack for transport. Place the finished spheres into your airtight storage container immediately after rolling. Refrigerate the container for a final 20 minutes before eating. This allows the honey and fats to set, which permanently locks the structural bonds of the bite. For short-term use, these bites will maintain their texture and nutritional quality for up to 1 week in the refrigerator. For long-term storage, you can keep them in the freezer for up to 2 months. This creates a reliable reserve of snacks that you can grab whenever you leave the house. By following this protocol, you replace processed convenience foods with a natural alternative, giving you a consistent way to manage your energy levels throughout the week.